इयत्ता 10वीच्या विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण ट्रिग्नॉमेट्री मध्ये यापूर्वी ज्या टाइपची एक्झाम्पल्स मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये सॉल्व्ह केले त्यावेळी पायथागोरसचा यूज केलेला आहे. एक रेशो दिलेला आहे. वन ऑफ द रेशो इज गिवन, ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रिक रेशो इज गिवन. टू कॅल्क्युलेट द रिमेनिंग रेशो आपण पायथागोरस, राईट एंगल ट्रायंगल आणि पायथागोरस वापरलेला आहे. आपण आज इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट बघायचा आहे. इफ साइन थीटा इज गिवन and to find out cos theta or tan theta, what is that interesting point? हे 10वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना एक्सपेक्टेड एक्झाम्पल आहे. तेव्हा आपल्याला मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट आयडेंटिटीज वी हॅव ऑलरेडी प्रूव्ड, आपण ह्या सिद्ध केलेल्या आहेत. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. आणि हे टेबल अगदी महत्वाचं आहे. तर गिवन काय आहे? sin theta is equal to 7/25 हे गिवन आहे. सो यू कॅन स्टार्ट विथ द गिवन. sin theta is equal to 7/25. This is given. To calculate cos theta and tan theta, you can see that sin theta and cos theta relation is that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So use that identity. What is that identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. By using identity, substitute the value of sin theta. What is that? Sin theta 7/25 bracket square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now try to find out cos theta. You can solve this equation. First take the square. What is that square? 49/625 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next, you know that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 49/625. You know the difference. How to calculate difference? Cos square theta is equal to making the denominators equal, cross multiplication, 625 minus 49. Then you find out cos square theta. What is that difference there? Divided by 625. Then you find out square root. What is that square root? Remember the square root. This is definitely 25 and this is 24. So that is the cos theta. By using sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is your first point. After that we have to find out tan theta. And if you remember this table, sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot theta. Cosec theta upon sec theta is equal to cot theta. Sec theta upon cosec theta is equal to tan theta. So these are identities we have to remember. So we know that sin theta already given, cos theta already given. So we can calculate definitely tan theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. So use that identity. What is that? Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Now you can substitute the values, proper values. Sin theta, what is that? 7/25. 7/25 divided by cos theta, 24/25. That is tan theta. So what is the final answer? It is therefore tan of theta is equal to 7/24. 7/24. This is your first example. After that, let us solve the second one. Second example, tan theta is given. So you can start with the given. Tan of theta is equal to 3/4. This is given. What is the question there? Find out sec theta and cos theta. Remember What are the identities? Tan theta is there, so you can use the second identity. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So we know that we have 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now substitute the value 1 plus tan square theta. This is 3 upon 4 bracket square is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus 9 upon 16, that is sec square theta. You can see the total there. 16 into 1, 16 plus 9 upon 60, that is sec square theta. So 16 plus 9, 25 upon 16, that is sec square theta. Take the square root. What is that? 5 upon 4, that is sec theta. So this is your first answer. Sec theta calculated. आपल्याला sec theta मिळालेला आहे. What is the next question there? Cos theta. And remember that relation between cos theta and sec theta. You know that cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. You remember that sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. So remember sec theta, you know that sec theta is there. Definitely sec theta is there. So you can find out cos theta. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Remember this. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So to calculate cos theta, you can see that cos theta is equal to inverted of this. So what is that? 4 upon 5. Because you know that sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Product is 1. So you can write directly. You can write reason also. We know that sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, or cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. After that, we can solve the third. Third example, 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equal to 0. That is given. 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equal to 0 given. So very interesting and important example. There is relation between two ratios. Now you can see that 5 sec theta is equal to 12 cosec theta. After that, very important step, sec theta divided by cosec theta, you are getting 12 upon 5. Now, what is the ratio? What is the value? You can see that cosec theta upon sec theta is equal to cot theta. Remember that sec theta upon cosec theta is equal to tan theta. So this is definitely tan of theta. And tan of theta is equal to 12 upon 5. You can write reason here. Sec theta upon cosec theta is equal to sec theta upon cosec theta is equal to tan theta. You can write the reason. So you are getting, what is the value there? Tan theta. But what is the question there? Find out sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. We know that tan theta is there. So to calculate sec theta, we can use this relation. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So we have, what is the identity? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Substitute the value. 1 plus 12 upon 5 square is equal to sec square theta. Square the bracket. 144 upon 25, that is sec square theta. You know that 25 plus 144 upon 25, that is sec square theta. After that, continue. 169 divided by 25 is equal to sec square theta. Now you can find the square root there. What is the square root there? 13 upon 5. That is sec theta. Sec theta. We can calculate sec theta. And you know that what is that? Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. And cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. So you can find out definitely cos theta with the help of sec theta. When we know that sec theta, after that you can write down cos theta. What is that? Cos theta is equal to 5 upon 30. Cos theta is equal to 5 upon 30. This is calculated, this is calculated. What is the remaining there? Only sin theta. And you know that to calculate sin theta, we can use this relation. What is that relation there? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We can use this identity. When we know that cos theta is equal to 5 upon 13, we can use this identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So use that identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then use that sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is that cos square theta? 25 upon 169 is equal to 1. After that, you can find out sin square theta. What is that sin square theta? Sin square theta is equal to sin square theta is equal to 1 minus this number, and 169 minus 25, sorry, 169 minus 25, it will be 144 upon 169, and sin theta is equal to 12 upon 13. See that interesting point? This is given relation between sec theta and cosec theta. Find out sec theta upon cosec theta, that is tan theta. After that, use identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. You are getting sec theta, but you know that sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1, or you know that cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. You are getting cos theta. After that, use sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and calculate the sin theta. या मेथडनं तुम्हाला 10वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना आयडेंटिटीज वापरून रेशो फाइंड आउट करता येतील. हा ग्रुप महत्वाचा आहे तुमच्या दृष्टीने. आणि यापूर्वीचा ग्रुप जो होता तो पायथागोरसने सॉल्व्ह केलेला आहे, तेव्हा याचं प्रॅक्टिस सर्वांनी करायचं.